Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a cumin lime vinaigrette salad for you. First thing we need to do, make the cumin lime vinaigrette. So what you see here is I'm adding to a basically one of those empty bottles you find in any kitchen section of any store, 2 teaspoons of cumin, followed by a half a cup of lime juice. I mean, it's a cumin lime vinaigrette salad. You kind of have to have the goddamn juice. And then, of course, you want to add just a little bit of salt to taste. And then we add a half a cup of olive oil. Just a little bit more salt. Why I didn't add that after the olive oil, I don't know, but half a cup of olive oil. And again, you can certainly adjust these if you want a little bit more or a little bit less. This dressing probably could go on other things, so. And then you just want to screw the lid on here, put the cap on. And by the way, these are some of the most versatile things to have in your kitchen. They cost about $1 a bottle. So I really do advise picking some up. And then you just want to shake it up and then place it in the fridge for about an hour while we kind of get the rest of the ingredients for the salad cooked. Which, do I really need to show you? Let's go to the salad. All right, let's assemble the salad. What we have here is some chopped up romaine lettuce. I'm assuming you know how to chop up some romaine. Now we're going to add some cooked chicken. All I did with that was just add some salt and pepper. Then we're going to add some salami that I roughly chopped up. And, of course, pepper to the top of the salad. That is optional, but I love pepper. And then some shredded cheddar cheese. And finally, we're going to add some croutons. Now, there's a debate over whether or not the vinaigrette should have come after that. And then, of course, top it off with that vinaigrette. And that's it. Cumin lime salad. Done.